everybody, it's me, Tess, with Tess Loves Yarn. And you guys, gosh, feels like it's been forever since I've been on here. Um, y'all know I've been sick, and I've been super tired, and it just makes it hard to keep up with YouTube and all the things. But I am happy to be here today on Father's Day, no less, in the USA. And so the first thing I want to say is Happy Father's Day to all the fathers and father figures out there. You are all amazing and good job. All right. So, what have I done this morning? I made my husband a Father's Day card. Happy Father's Day. And yeah, I made that for him when I got up this morning. So there you go. We are going to celebrate a little bit later. We are going to go out to eat and listen to live music because that is what he wanted to do, and it will be super fun as long as we don't get blown away by a tornado or something. Because hear that? That's thunder. Yeah, we are having bad storms in the Midwest today. And what a crazy day to have bad storms, right? So yeah, hopefully the storms don't mess up our plans to celebrate Father's Day. Yeah. So I am here today with the Mary Maxim unboxing. This came yesterday. I am so excited because you guys know how much I love Mary Maxim. Let me grab my scissors, my little Tim Holtz scissors here, and we will open this bag up here, and I will share with you what's in here, and hopefully we will all like it. I have to say, I am not sponsored by Mary Maxim, but I do love these kits most of the time. My only pet peeve is they do give us a lot of discontinued yarn. I don't know why they're doing that, because in my opinion, if they gave us new yarns to try, we would most likely love them and go to their website and buy more. But, you know, Mary Maxim didn't ask me. So, Mary, what are you doing out there? I don't know. All right, let's see what the kit is today. Ooh, what the heck? What is this? Okay, we've got some Ballwin yarn. I can tell by looking at that's Crystal's yarn from Ballwin because we all know who Crystal is, right? And then we got no! We got that weird ribbon yarn. Oh, Lord have mercy. Why? Okay, this I love. This is Ballwin Shimmering Hues. That is gorgeous. I even like the neutral yellowish color. Normally I'm a bright color girl, but I do like these for like the fall of the year. Even though this isn't fall, fall is coming, right? Just like winter's coming. Ooh, Game of Thrones. I miss that show. One of my favorites. Anyway, yes, so the Ballwin Shimmering Hues is premium anti-pill acrylic. It is 280 yards, or for everyone else in the world besides Americans, 256 meters. It's 99% anti-pilling acrylic, 1% stellina. That must be the metallic stuff. Yeah. And let's see. It says you can machine wash on gentle / delicate for 2 minutes. That's different. 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. And then it says to lay flat to dry. Do not dry clean. Yeah, most yarns are not dry cleanable. Most, yeah. Okay, so it's a 4 weight and it says it calls for a 5mm crochet hook. Gorgeous, you guys. Look at that. Gorgeous yarn. I would like to have more of this. Yes, I would. All right. Now let's get into this. Oh, Lordy have mercy. Bernat suede-ish, which I do have to say, it does look like suede. It absolutely looks like suede. I absolutely abhor crocheting with this. I cannot crochet with this. However, with that said, I do a lot of paper crafts. And guess what this is really good for? Paper crafting. All kinds of paper crafting. Oh my gosh, this almost even would be good on this card. Oh. Okay, so I do put these in my paper crafting stash, and I do use them a lot for paper crafting. However, when I get a crochet kit, I want to be able to use the yarn for crochet. Right? And unfortunately, I cannot use these for crochet. They drive me bonkers. I can't knit with them either. Drives me bonkers. But I will give you the lowdown. These look like, really, it's like ribbon. It's not, I wouldn't even call that yarn. It's like ribbon. It's ribbon. It's ribbon. Mary, this be ribbon, girlfriend. Urgh. All right. And they're calling it a bulky 5. Imagine that. Calls for 6mm knitting needle or crochet hook. And it is, let's see. It's 70% polyester and 30% viscose. It's 179 yards or 164 meters for everyone else. Let's see what it says about care. This colorway is denim, by the way. This colorway is Winter Blooms. I don't know why they're giving this. I don't know. I like the colorway. This colorway is really colorful, and I like the colorway. There you go. I forgot to tell you the colorway of this one, didn't I? Did I forget? Let's see. Live at Wembley. This is live at Wembley. How appropriate, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is the yarn. And, oh, you can machine wash and dry this. The ribbon, by the way. Yeah. Let's look at the actual pattern. It's crocheted sun hat, one size fits most. Yeah. I actually like the pattern. The pattern is very good. The pattern and this. Very good. Very good, Mary. Not so good, Mary. Not so good. No. All right. Let's see. Oh, it says, Dear customer, as a small thank you for being a valued club member, we have included a bonus ball of Ballwin shimmering hues. We hope you enjoy creating a small project of your choice with this wonderfully soft yarn that has an added strand of sparkle. So this was a bonus to give us. But it's like, I wonder if it's enough to make this hat. Let me see. that might actually be enough to make this hat. So maybe I'll make the hat out of this instead of this stuff. But the pattern itself looks pretty easy. There's no hard stitches. And it says that 1 ball of Swedish yarn will make the hat. So yes, there is enough yarn in this also to make the hat. So they've given you the Swedish yarn enough to make 2 hats, both of the hats that are on there, which is the same pattern, by the way. It's not a different pattern. You're just making it in 2 different colorways. Yeah, and it seems pretty easy. Single crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets. It uses all 3 of those stitches, and does a simple decrease, half double crochet 2 together, and yeah, pretty easy. I would say pretty easy even for a beginner to do, as long as the directions are good. And most of the time, 99% of the time, the directions in the Mary Maxim kits are spot on. Really, really good. I think one time, maybe twice in 5 years that I've had this subscription, that I have found an error. That's pretty darn good. Yeah, so that is the kit, you guys. And just a quick little update. I will be making a video, I hope next week, where I'm going to show you some of my Mary Maxim kit makes, because some of you have been asking to see them. And I do have quite a few of these kits where I've made the things. And since I haven't been doing markets or getting out a lot because of being sick, I actually still have them and can show them to you. So I might do that. But as always, you guys, I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for sticking with me through my illness, and just being here for me. A tiny little thing I just want to shout out there is that, you know, I had this yarn giveaway way back. It was about the time I was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, back in before Christmas. And I had drawn 3 winners, a grand prize winner, and then 2 secondary winners, and I have still not sent the yarn. And I want you guys to know I have not forgotten you, and I am going to get that yarn out. I just, gosh, need to just get the energy and do it, right? So I apologize, and you guys are so gracious and not, you know, bugging me about it, even though it's been like 6 months, right? So love you guys. Thank you. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. You guys support me through my ups and downs, and I just am so grateful for each and every one of you. If you are new here and you like me, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel, and I really need it right now because, yeah, I'm not making the videos that I used to make, and it's showing on my channel. So anyway, yes, thank you everybody. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday or whatever day you're watching this. Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And I hope to see you all very soon. All right? Thanks, everybody. Bye.